Hello guys, today I will solve the question first unique characters in a string. The question number is 387 and the question type is easy. And the question statement is given a string as find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. Okay, let's see what it is saying. So it is saying that it will give an string. It will give an string. We need to give the output as an index. It will be an integer and it should be that index should be non-repeating character, like here L is the uh, first letter of this lead code and L is not repeated, right? L is not after the first one. L is only one time, right? So we need to give that index of that value, like here love lead code. L is two times, right? So we cannot send this as an output. Now I will check O whether it is repeated or not. Yes, it is repeated, so we cannot send it as an output. Now V, is it repeated? No, it's only one time, right? So we need to give the index of this V 0 1 2. So the output will be V. Like this we need to give the output. Now I will show you how we can solve this question. We can take an unordered map, right? Type will be character and int, right? So we can take an unordered map and we can, by the for loop, we can store that with how many times L is in this string or in this string. Let's see, I will follow this string love lead code, right? So our I will be initialized with 0 and it will start from here. In the first iteration it will check the times of L, so it will store that L unordered map L as 1, right? Because it is one time. Now it will go to O and unordered map O will be stored as 1. Now V, like this E, then it will come again and on this L. So now the L value is was initialized with 1. Now it will add one more. Now it will be 2. So like this we can store all these letters occurrence, like it is how many times it has occurred in this string. After that we can run a for loop again on this string and we can check whether how many times it is occurring in this string. Now now we can check whether after this whole for loop iteration we can check L was occurred 2 times, because that unordered map value will be 2 of this L. Now we will check for the O, it will be also 2, but V will be 1 because V has occurred only one time in this string, so we can return the value of V. So this will be the logic behind the solution. Now you can see what I am doing here. I have initialized an unordered map as I said, and after that for loop, and I am storing the value of occurrence of the letters. Now I am again used I have again used a for loop to check how many times it has occurred. If it is occurring one time, and I am returning that value. If we are not getting the answer, I am returning -1. So this is the logic. Let's see how it is running. So it is the same code. Yes, it is running. Thank you. I hope you will solve this question by yourself. Thank you.